Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software like tabula ads or other like that things from your CAT S53. So at the start, if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that, the spamming pop-ups when you're trying to visit inside, that means you have a notification software. And you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So I'm gonna show you the first method now. We have to open the settings, then go to the apps, and now choose CL apps. Now check the list. If you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name of it, just tap on it, click on install and click OK. Okay, in the second step, go back to the app list and look for your web browser. Now just choose the storage and cache and tap on the clear storage. Tap on the clear all data and click OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, we can also try to download antivirus app. So go to the Google Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm using Avast, so in this app we have to just tap on the scan now big button and allow permission. Then go back to the application and choose the scan type. If you have any virus, always use the deep scan. And after the scanning process, all of the unwanted softwares, malwares should be deleted from your phone. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.